Hello everyone. Today we will be presenting the architecture for our web application that supports student safety check-ins and faculty oversight. This system ensures that student can share their locations, receive notification, and as well as alert faculty when they feel unsafe. Faculty members can monitor student statuses and check-in requests and also audit their locations. Administrators can manage students and the faculty as well as oversee system usage. Now let's go through the architecture step by step. From here onwards, Ram will take over and explain the topic about user interaction, authentication, and front-end access.
Hello everyone. So the whole system starts with the users typing the DNS for our web application in their browsers, be it mobile or a laptop. And users connect to the system through Amazon Route 53, which resolves the DNS and redirects the request to CloudFront. And if it's an authentication request to log in, the request is redirected to Amazon Cognito Authentication Service. Upon successful login, requests are rerouted to API Gateway, which hits the downstream services. It first starts hitting the backend services. It starts with Amazon Lambda. Vaishnavi will now talk more about backend processing and business logic.
Now that requests have passed through the front end, they're processed in the back end. Amazon API Gateway sends requests to AWS Lambda, which executes business logic. And AWS Lambda also handles student check-ins by storing their locations and faculty notifications for required check-ins, and also emergency alerts when students feel unsafe. And AWS Lambda also ensures that all requests are processed efficiently and integrates with database, notifications, and storage services. Next, Gautam will talk about data storage and security.
The system needs to securely store check-in data, user details, and logs. Now we'll talk about a few services which we will be using for storage and security. Amazon DynamoDB stores all the student check-in locations and statuses, and also the faculty notifications and the audit logs. AWS Secrets Manager secures the authentication credentials, API keys, and sensitive data. Connection strings at the application level and necessary passwords and CI/CD will be fetched from Secrets Manager using environment variables and parameters. We will be using Amazon S3 for storing static content, logs, reports, and other objects securely and durably. These services ensure fast, scalable, and secure data handling. AWS IAM provides secure service-to-service communication and role-based access control across all AWS services in the architecture through fine-grained permissions, policies, and roles like Lambda execution roles, API gateway access, and user-specific permissions for students, faculty, and also the admin. Next, Kaushik will be talking about notifications, messaging, and automation.
Notifications and messaging play a crucial role in ensuring students receive real-time updates. Amazon SNS delivers push notifications, SMS, and emails for check-ins and alerts for the subscribers. Amazon SQS handles queue-based event processing to manage notifications asynchronously. These services ensure students and faculty receive timely updates and can respond accordingly. SQS ensures that application is loosely coupled and facilitates microservices. Now Ashok will talk about deployment and continuous integration.
To keep the system running smoothly and deploy updates efficiently, we use a few CI/CD services. The first one is AWS Code Commit. It stores and manages the source code. AWS Code Pipeline automates the process of building, testing, and deploying updates. And AWS Code Deploy ensures new code is deployed seamlessly to AWS Lambda. And AWS CloudFormation will automate the infrastructure provisioning, making it easy to set up new environments as and when required. This ensures a scalable, maintainable, and an easily deployable system. This architecture efficiently supports all the user stories mentioned. Students can check in and notify faculty when needed. Faculty can monitor student safety. Administrators can manage users and track system performance. AWS services ensure scalability, security, and the automation part. Thank you for watching our architecture overview.